Hello, welcome to my garage again. In this video I show you how to change the engine oil in this beautiful Ducati Multistrada 1260S. First we remove the belly pan because the drain plug and the oil filter is behind that. For that we need to loosen 5 screws. 2 from this side, 2 from here, and 1 is at the bottom. Let's go to the other side. Okay, we need to unhook the pipes. That's it. Okay, we need to unhook the pipes. That's it. After 4 smaller screws removed, I loosen the bottom one. And let's remove the belly pan. That's a proper cleaning. The draining plug is here at the bottom of the sump, the left side, and it needs an Allen key size of 5mm. That's it. I've loosened the oil filler cap before because it makes the oil drain easier. Now we have to wait for a while. When the last drops of the oil is dripping, let's remove the oil filter. Quite a grip due to the rubber ring, but there is not much torque to tighten it. That's it. Can I screw it up? messy part, the oil change. The oil is flowing from the top. Okay, let's leave it for a while. Next to the draining plug there's a steel plate and there's a mesh filter above. This filter is planned to replace at every second oil change. Since the oil change interval for the Ducati Multistrada 1260 is 15,000 kilometers, so it needs to be cleaned at every 30,000 kilometers. I've done it before. The next mesh filter cleaning will be at 60,000 kilometers when the Desmo service will be taking place. So I will not remove it now, but I will show it to you when the time comes. And as for the 15,000 kilometers oil change period, I don't like it. Because in most cases in the automotive industry it's a kind of marketing. So who's got the bigger one? So I change the oil at every 7,500 kilometers. However, the oil is capable to run for 15,000 kilometers, and even the filter technology is eligible, provide a proper lubrication, but this piece of beauty deserves a more frequent oil change. After bleeding out the system, let's install the drain plug back with a new copper washer. There is a liquid gasket to apply. I use the factory advised Ribbon TB1215, but you can use any other of them, any other type like Loctite SI 5920. That's good. This one is a Ducati approved one. I suppose they use it in the factory, so I used it. You need to apply it to the threads only. Okay. So let's screw it back. Why the oil filter is still dripping, and you need to tighten it to 20 Newton meters. It's okay. For the oil filter I use the factory one. First I fill it up with oil. It eliminates the gap in the lubrication when you start the engine for the first time. Okay, and then let's lubricate the rubber ring and screw it in. Still nasty here. left the oil dripping for an hour and still dripping from the oil filter hole. So let's adjust it. 9, 11. Here we are. Let's apply it and let's tighten it. That's it. You don't need more torque, otherwise it will be much harder to remove the next time. Right after that, I clean it up. Use regular brake cleaner. Okay, the engine is ready to fill it up with oil. I left the bike alone for a while just to be sure that the liquid gasket on the drain plug thread is hardened enough, and in the meantime I will install this clean belly pan back. I start it here because I need to put the holes, put the pipes through the hole. That's it. So I will start the middle screw. Start the middle screw. Tighten them, but not to torque. Tightening torque for the lower screw is 24 Newton meters. So let's tighten it. That's it. As for the bigger one, the torque is 20 Newton meters. It's 20. Okay. The smaller screw needs 5 Newton meter only. That's it. The engine has got a capacity of 4.2 liters of oil. The Ducati recommends the Shell Advance 40 Ultra 15W50. At the moment I use the Motul 7100 15W50. Practically I haven't experienced much a difference between the two oils. For my riding style, of course. Oil consumption was the same because this block consumes oil under certain circumstances. So I'm going to return back to Shell. The module is a kind of extra, maybe state of the art, because the color is red and it smells like a kitchen detergent, not like an oil. I think it helps to prevent faking it, because there are a lot of fake oil in the market. So I open it now so we can see that it's sealed. It's of force, yes, but it's practical. Yeah, kitchen detergent. So before I fill it in many forums I read that some of the Ducatisti uses the Moto 300V because it's a bit more expensive. So I think it's considered to be better. Yes, better in a way. But while the 7100 is developed for street usage, the 300V is developed for racetrack usage because it contains different additives for the track usage. So I don't recommend to use the 300V if you use your bike on street and on a style that is pretty much different from a racetrack usage. If you take the bike to the racetrack more often, of course, you can use the 300V because it's better for it. But for street usage, it's not as good as the 7100. So let's fill it up with oil. I use a funnel, makes it a bit more easier. Because the filler wall is pretty much close to the trans frame. Well, it needs time and it needs patience. Unless you had some special tool for it, like a pump or something. When the engine is filled up with oil, start it, let it run for a few minutes to let the oil reach all the area or the lubrication points in the engine block. Then shut it down, wait for a few minutes or up till the engine is cooled down and check the oil level. And if necessary, top it up.